The story of the building of Stonehenge was forgotten long before histories were written. It became a place of mystery and magic. It was thought no men could have moved these stones. Stonehenge stands on Salisbury Plain in the south of England, and of course, it was the work of men. The ruins we see today hint at the massive structure they once were. Centuries of removal of stones for building, and because such a pagan survival offended the early church, began the destruction continued by casual visitors. Visitors used to be allowed to walk among the stones, and at one time they could hire hammers to chip off souvenirs. Now the area has been roped off and can only be viewed from the outside. What was it like before the stones began to fall? Careful digging around the stones has given archaeologists clues to the original form. Within a surrounding ditch and bank earthwork, the earliest feature of the site, a number of different stone arrangements have been detected. In the final arrangement, a horseshoe of 5 pairs of standing stones, each with a stone lintel across the top, stood at the center. This is called a trilithon, meaning 3 stones. The rock is a hard kind of sandstone called sarsen, and blocks of it lie thickly on the chalk downs some 30 kilometers to the north. These blocks probably were brought from there. The smallest uprights of the trilithons stand 5 meters high, with another 1.5 meters in the ground. The tallest, at the center of the horseshoe, is more than 6.5 meters above the ground and weighs about 40 tons. Around 2000 BC, the sarsens were brought here and set up. It wouldn't be easy today, but 4,000 years ago, using rollers, ropes and levers, to say it was difficult would be an understatement. The sides of the stones were roughly squared off, probably before they were moved, to save weight. At Stonehenge, they were finished by pounding with stone hammers, balls of local sarsen stone held in the hand. Pounding crumbles the stone to fine powder, but it's very slow work. Partly finished stones show the technique. Grooves were pounded out, then the ridges between them hammered away.